AI is no longer a thing of the future. It's happening right now. Machines are learning to think, write, talk, just like humans. From typing essays to writing songs, from coding apps to giving business ideas, AI has entered almost every part of our lives. But behind all this magic, there's a war going on. A silent war, not for money or land, but for power and intelligence. Big tech companies like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, and DeepMind are fighting to become #1 in the world of artificial intelligence. Each one wants to lead the future, to achieve what experts call AI supremacy. This race is not just about making smart machines, it's about controlling the next phase of human civilization. In this book, Supremacy, AI, ChatGPT, and the Race That Will Change the World, written by Parmy Olson, opens the doors to this hidden world. She takes us behind the scenes, inside secret labs, powerful boardrooms, and intense rivalries where the smartest minds are building the most powerful technology ever made. In this video, we'll explore what this race is really about, how ChatGPT changed everything, and how artificial intelligence is shaping the future of our world. So sit back and imagine a world where machines think faster than humans, because that world is not coming tomorrow, it has already begun today.
Lesson 1. The Birth of the AI Revolution. Every big revolution starts with a small dream. Years ago, artificial intelligence, or AI, was just a dream. A dream where machines could think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Back in the early days, computers were simple. They could only follow commands written by humans. But scientists began to ask a powerful question. What if machines could learn by themselves? That question started the AI revolution. In small research labs around the world, programmers and engineers started creating systems that could analyze data, recognize patterns, and improve on their own. These small experiments slowly grew into something much bigger. Then came the birth of two big names, DeepMind and OpenAI. DeepMind, later bought by Google, shocked the world when its AI program AlphaGo defeated the world champion in the game of Go, a game so complex that even experts believed no computer could ever win it. At the same time, in the United States, a group of visionaries, including Elon Musk and Sam Altman, created OpenAI, an organization built with one goal: to make AI safe and powerful for all humanity. Their belief was simple: if AI is going to change the world, it should not be controlled by just one company or one country. Slowly, AI stopped being just a research topic. It became a global race, a competition between countries and corporations to build the smartest, fastest, and most capable machines. Governments started investing billions. Tech giants began hiring the best minds on the planet. And AI moved from computer labs into our homes, our phones, and even our daily decisions. Today, AI doesn't just answer questions. It creates ideas, writes stories, designs products, and even predicts human behavior. What started as a small dream has now become a race for global power. And the question is no longer, can machines think? It's who will control the machines that think? Because whoever wins this AI race will shape the future of our world.
Lesson 2. The Big Players. OpenAI versus DeepMind. In the story of artificial intelligence, two names stand tall: OpenAI and DeepMind. Both had one common dream: to create something called AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence. AGI means a machine that can think, reason, and learn just like a human, but faster, smarter, and without limits. But even though the goal was same, the path they chose was completely different. Let's start with DeepMind, founded by a brilliant man named Demis Hassabis. He was a child chess prodigy and a genius scientist. DeepMind's approach was slow, careful, and deeply scientific. They believed in doing research quietly, testing ideas again and again before showing them to the world. Their goal was not speed, it was perfection. In 2016, DeepMind's AI program, AlphaGo, defeated the world champion of the ancient game Go. That single match proved to the world that AI could think strategically even better than humans. After that, DeepMind focused on solving complex problems like protein folding, medicine, and energy. They wanted to make AI help humanity through science. On the other side was OpenAI. Founded by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and a small team of passionate engineers, OpenAI believed AI should not stay hidden inside labs. They wanted to make AI open and available to the world. Their approach was fast, bold, and experimental. Instead of waiting for years of research, they started launching AI tools step by step, learning from people's feedback and improving quickly. Then came ChatGPT, the turning point. When OpenAI released ChatGPT to the public, the whole world stopped and looked. Millions of people started using it to write essays, code software, plan trips, create ideas, and even make money. It was like having a talking super brain in your phone or laptop. ChatGPT wasn't just another app. It was the beginning of a new era. Suddenly, AI wasn't limited to scientists or tech companies. It was in the hands of everyone. This one move by OpenAI shocked the entire tech world. Even DeepMind, which had been silent for years, now had to respond. The quiet scientific race turned into a global competition. Who would build the smarter, safer, and more powerful AI first? DeepMind wanted to understand the mind. OpenAI wanted to connect with the world. Both are chasing the same dream, but with different roads. And now, their race for AI supremacy is shaping the future of business, education, and human life itself.
Lesson 2. The launch of ChatGPT. In November 2022, something happened that changed the entire world of technology forever. OpenAI launched a new tool called ChatGPT, a simple chat box powered by artificial intelligence. At first glance, it looked normal, just a chat window. But the moment people started using it, they were shocked. ChatGPT could write essays, solve coding problems, plan diets, prepare interview answers, write poems, songs, and even business plans, all within seconds. It didn't just search like Google, it understood your question and replied like a human. It could talk, explain, suggest, and even motivate. Within just 5 days, ChatGPT crossed 1 million users. In 2 months, it became the fastest-growing app in human history, faster than Instagram, TikTok, or even Netflix. From school students to entrepreneurs, from coders to writers, everyone started using it. People used ChatGPT to write YouTube scripts, create ads, design websites, and even prepare for exams. It became the ultimate digital assistant, always awake, always ready to help. Companies started to change the way they worked. Writers became faster. Programmers fixed bugs in minutes. Students learned complex topics in simple words. ChatGPT had entered every corner of daily life. It was not just a tool, it was a revolution. Even the creators of ChatGPT, like Sam Altman, were surprised. They knew it was powerful, but they didn't expect it to grow this fast. The world had never seen a technology move from curiosity to necessity so quickly. But along with excitement came fear. Teachers worried about cheating, writers feared losing jobs, and governments started asking, can we control this? ChatGPT showed both sides of AI, its power and its danger. ChatGPT didn't just change the internet, it changed how humans think, work, and create. It proved one thing clearly. Artificial intelligence is no longer a dream, it's here, and it's growing faster than anyone imagined.
Lesson 3. The launch of ChatGPT. In November 2022, something happened that changed the entire world of technology forever. OpenAI launched a new tool called ChatGPT, a simple chat box powered by artificial intelligence. At first glance, it looked normal, just a chat window. But the moment people started using it, they were shocked. ChatGPT could write essays, solve coding problems, plan diets, prepare interview answers, write poems, songs, and even business plans, all within seconds. It didn't just search like Google, it understood your question and replied like a human. It could talk, explain, suggest, and even motivate. Within just 5 days, ChatGPT crossed 1 million users. In 2 months, it became the fastest-growing app in human history, faster than Instagram, TikTok, or even Netflix. From school students to entrepreneurs, from coders to writers, everyone started using it. People used ChatGPT to write YouTube scripts, create ads, design websites, and even prepare for exams. It became the ultimate digital assistant, always awake, always ready to help. Companies started to change the way they worked. Writers became faster. Programmers fixed bugs in minutes. Students learned complex topics in simple words. ChatGPT had entered every corner of daily life. It was not just a tool, it was a revolution. Even the creators of ChatGPT, like Sam Altman, were surprised. They knew it was powerful, but they didn't expect it to grow this fast. The world had never seen a technology move from curiosity to necessity so quickly. But along with excitement came fear. Teachers worried about cheating, writers feared losing jobs, and governments started asking, can we control this? ChatGPT showed both sides of AI, its power and its danger. ChatGPT didn't just change the internet, it changed how humans think, work, and create. It proved one thing clearly. Artificial intelligence is no longer a dream. It's here, and it's growing faster than anyone imagined.
Lesson 4. The Race for Supremacy. When ChatGPT exploded in popularity, the world of technology completely changed overnight. Every big company, Google, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, suddenly woke up. They realized this is not just another app. This is the future of intelligence. What started as a small research project by OpenAI turned into a global battle for AI supremacy. Google, the king of search engines, felt the biggest pressure. For years, people typed on Google to find answers. But now, they were talking directly to ChatGPT and getting perfect replies. Inside Google,
panic started. They called it a code red, a serious warning. Soon, Google launched its own AI called Bard, later known as Gemini, to fight back. It was their answer to ChatGPT, their chance to stay in the game. Meanwhile, Meta made a bold move. They partnered with OpenAI and invested billions of dollars. Microsoft integrated ChatGPT directly into Bing Search, Office apps, and Windows. They wanted to give every user the power of AI right on their computer. This was not just business, it was a race for the future. Whoever controlled the smartest AI would control the digital world. Amazon used its huge cloud system, AWS, to power AI tools for businesses. They focused on using AI for shopping, delivery, and customer experience. Every company wanted to become the leader, the one who defines how the future will think. The world had entered a new kind of war, not for land, oil, or money, but for intelligence. Whoever wins this AI race will shape how humans live, learn, work, and even dream. The question is, who will control the future? Humans or machines?
Lesson 5. Inside OpenAI, Vision and Conflict. OpenAI started with a very pure dream: to build artificial intelligence that helps all of humanity. Sam Altman, Elon Musk, and a small group of researchers had one mission: to make AI safe, fair, and transparent for everyone. They wanted to build powerful machines, but not for profit, for progress. But as time passed, things started to change. AI was growing faster than anyone expected. And with power came pressure. Investors wanted results. Tech companies wanted partnerships. The world wanted products, fast. OpenAI's mission of helping humanity slowly began to clash with the race for profits and control. Elon Musk, one of the original founders, left OpenAI in 2018. He felt the company was moving away from its original goal of safety and openness. He warned, if AI is controlled by a few hands, it can become dangerous. But the world was not slowing down. The race had already started. To continue research and build large AI models, OpenAI needed massive funds. So they partnered with Microsoft, one of the world's biggest tech giants. Microsoft invested billions of dollars, giving OpenAI the power of huge data centers and cloud systems. It was a turning point. OpenAI moved from a small nonprofit research lab to a powerful organization with global influence. But with this new power came new problems. Inside OpenAI, teams started debating. Should AI be released to the public so quickly? Can humans truly control something smarter than themselves? How do we balance innovation and safety? As AI models like ChatGPT became more powerful, even OpenAI's own team felt uncertain. The more powerful AI became, the harder it was to control. Some feared it could spread misinformation. Others feared it might one day act beyond human understanding. Sam Altman stood in the middle of it all, a man trying to balance two worlds, the dream of safe AI and the demand for progress. This was the true struggle inside OpenAI, not just about technology, but about ethics, power, and responsibility. The smarter AI becomes, the more carefully humans must think. Lesson 6. The ethical dilemma of AI. AI is powerful. It can do amazing things, but it also brings serious risks. Imagine a world where machines can write news articles, create videos, and make decisions faster than any human. Sounds exciting, but also dangerous. AI can be used to spread fake news, create deepfake videos, or even manipulate what people believe. It can replace millions of jobs, from customer service to creative writing, even some scientific research. Privacy is another big problem. AI can analyze your behavior, predict your choices, and influence your decisions, sometimes without you even realizing it. The real question isn't what AI can do, it's who controls it and for what purpose. OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, and others are racing to build the smartest AI. But smart AI without careful rules can be harmful. Some people worry AI could be used for manipulation, surveillance, or power for a few people. Others hope AI will solve big problems: climate change, medicine, education. It all depends on the ethics of the humans in control. This is the ultimate ethical dilemma of our time. Powerful AI can do both good and bad. The difference is the human mind behind it. Parmy Olson explains the race for AI supremacy is not just about speed or money. It's about responsibility, ethics, and foresight. AI can be humanity's greatest ally or its biggest challenge. The choice is ours.
Lesson 7. The Power Shift, Business and Economy. AI is not just a tech trend. It's changing the way the world works. Every business, every industry is feeling the shift. Marketing teams now use AI to predict what customers want. Banks analyze millions of transactions in seconds. Hospitals can detect diseases faster with AI. Schools and online courses can now personalize learning for each student. Companies that adopt AI can work faster, smarter, and cheaper. They save money, reduce errors, and make better decisions. The economy is changing. Jobs will evolve. Some roles will disappear while new ones like AI trainers, prompt engineers, and data specialists will grow. The message is clear. Those who learn AI, adapt to it, and use it wisely will dominate the new economy. AI is a tool, but like any tool, its power depends on the person using it. Smart companies see AI not as a replacement, but as a partner to innovate and grow. Parmy Olson emphasizes the real power shift is who controls AI and how they use it. The future belongs to those who master AI, not fear it. Learn AI, embrace it, and lead the economy of tomorrow.
Lesson 8. Global AI Race. USA, China, and beyond. The race for AI supremacy is not just about technology. It's about power, influence, and national security. The United States leads with companies like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google. Their goal is artificial general intelligence, AI that can think and learn like humans. But China is not far behind. They are investing billions into AI research, building their own powerful models, and training a massive workforce. Europe, too, is working on AI, focusing on safety, ethics, and regulation. AI is no longer just a tool for business. It's about military technology, surveillance, data dominance, and global strategy. Parmy Olson explains, the country that masters AI first may have an enormous advantage in the 21st century. Control over AI means control over information, innovation, and even the global economy. Every country is racing, not just for profits, but for influence and security. The message is clear. AI is no longer just a business competition. It's a battle for the future of the world. AI supremacy is the new power. Nations that lead AI shape the world.
Lesson 9. The Human Side of AI. AI is amazing.
It can write stories, compose music, answer questions, and even chat like a friend. It can comfort people, help with mental health, or teach children new skills. It feels human at times, but it is still just a machine. Parmy Olson warns us the real danger is when we start trusting AI more than our own mind. When we stop thinking critically and rely completely on machines, we lose control. Remember, AI does not have feelings, intuition, or ethics. It works on data and algorithms. The human mind is still the most powerful decision maker. Use AI as a partner, a helper, a tool, but never as a replacement for your own judgment. The power of AI is in your hands or your mind. How you interact with it determines whether it helps you or controls you. AI can enhance humanity, but it cannot replace it. Think, question, decide.
Lesson 10. The future. Can we control it? The future of AI is both exciting and frightening. Experts warn about superintelligence, an AI that could become smarter than all humans combined. Once AI learns to improve itself, it might start making decisions we cannot predict or control. Parmy Olson asks a serious question: who will really be in control, us or the machines we created? Imagine AI that can plan, innovate, and even compete with humans in every area: business, science, politics, and security. The race is not just about being first, it's about safety, ethics, and responsibility. The future depends on how we develop AI today, the rules we set, and the wisdom we apply. If we act wisely, AI can be our greatest ally. If we act recklessly, it could become the most powerful force we cannot manage. The AI future is here. Control it wisely or risk losing control. Here are the main lessons from Supremacy. 1. AI is powerful but risky. It can change the world, but it can also cause serious problems if misused. 2. Knowledge of AI is essential for everyone. Whether you are a student, entrepreneur, or professional, understanding AI is no longer optional. 3. The AI race is changing business, jobs, and education. Those who learn and use AI wisely will lead the new economy. 4. Use AI smartly, not blindly. Treat it as a tool, a partner, and a helper, but always keep your human judgment first. Parmy Olson shows us that AI is not just technology, it is a force shaping our future. If we understand it, we can use it to create opportunities and stay ahead. Remember, AI is here to stay, and how we interact with it today will define tomorrow. Learn AI, use it wisely, shape your future. AI will not replace you, but a person who knows how to use AI will have an advantage. This is a new era, and the rules are different. Don't fear this world of machines and algorithms. Instead, learn it, practice it, and grow with it. The key is not to compete against AI, it is to partner with it wisely. Parmy Olson reminds us, the future is not for those who resist change, but for those who understand intelligence, both human and artificial. Your choice today will decide your place tomorrow. Adapt, learn, and lead. The future belongs to those who understand intelligence, human or artificial.